Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display. Then here select font size and style. And here just move this point to the right side to increase font size. Okay, by default it is set to third point. If you move to the fourth point, font size will be increased. Okay, if you move further to fifth point, further it will be increased. Okay, so you can move towards right side, and this is the end. Maximum font size now applied. Okay, see changes. Go to home screen and I go to settings. See here, font size has been changed. Okay, it is changed to maximum. If you would like to reduce font size, that is decrease font size, again go to the same settings, display, then go to font size and style. Now you have to move this point to the left side. Okay, if you move towards the left side, font size will be decreased. This is very small size. If you would like to keep in default font size, you have to choose the third point. Okay, so in this way you can easily change font size in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.